Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 36. We're going to start with some sounds. I want to see if you can say all of these sounds without making a mistake. Some sounds are sounds that you have to say fast, so don't be fooled. Get ready? Yes. Get ready? Yes. Get ready? Yes. Get ready? Very good. D. Get ready? Yes. S. Get ready? Yes. D. Get ready? Yes. F. Get ready? Yes. Mm. Let's go back to the top. Get ready? Your turn. Good job. Get ready? Get ready? Good job. Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Good, you said all of the sounds, and you didn't get fooled with some of the sounds that you have to say fast. This screen is blank. We're going to say some words slowly, then say it fast. First, you're going to say the word slowly without stopping between the sounds. Then you're going to say it fast. Listen. Ear. Get ready. Ear. Your turn again. Get ready. Ear. Now say it fast. Yes. Ear. Listen. Read. Listen again. Read. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Read. Good job saying the word slowly and then saying them fast. Now we are going to say some sounds and rhyme with M. First, you're going to say the sound and then rhyme with M. Listen. M. Tell me what sound you're going to say. Then what will you say? Very good. Let's do it together. Get ready. Rim. Your turn. Get ready. Now say it fast. Yes. Rim. This one might be a little tricky. You're going to say the sound. What sound are you going to say? Yes. D. Then what are you going to say? M. Listen. D. M. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Dim. Do rim and dim rhyme? They do. Very good. Okay, we're going to practice some of our sounds. I'm going to do all of the sounds first, and then it's going to be your turn. Listen. E, r, e, d, a, e, e. Your turn. Get ready. 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 Great job. Now we're going to go bottom to top. Get ready. 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 Wow, great job, boys and girls. Now I'm going to sound out this word, then you'll say it fast. This word is a little sound in it. When a word has a little sound in it, you don't say that sound. Okay? What sound am I going to say first? Yes. What sound am I going to say next? Yes. E. What sound am I going to say next? Yes. D. Listen. Read. Sound it out with me. Get ready? Read. Say it fast. Yes, read. Now you know how to read. Great job. Now you are going to read this word. First, you'll sound it out, and then you'll say it fast. What sound are you going to say first? Yes. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. E. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. E. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. D. All right, get ready to sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes. Feed. You just read the word feed. Please feed the dog. You've seen this word before. I'll move down the arrow and stop under the sounds, but I don't say the sounds out loud. Just figure it out what you are going to say. Sound it out in your head. Get ready. Again, we're going to sound it out, okay? Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. What word? Very good. Ram. You just read the word ram. Fantastic. Okay, boys and girls, get your worksheet for lesson 36. Put your finger on the big black dot and let's sound out this word together. Are we going to say this sound here? No, we are not going to say this little sound. We're only going to say the sounds, the big sounds with the dot under it. Get ready. Ear. Your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Ear. Now remember, on this portion of your worksheet, you're going to find the matching sound. And what sound are you going to cross out today? Yes. Are you going to cross out the cheerleader girl? No, only the sound that is in this box, okay? At the bottom, make sure you start at the black dot and trace along the dotted line and see what you find in the picture. When you're done tracing, you could color the picture if you would like. Now, on the back of this worksheet, you are going to trace your sounds. Remember, you need to trace all the way down. Even over here, where there are 3 lines, you need to trace your sound over here. Please make sure you're doing your best and neatest work when you're tracing. Which sound is this? Yes. What sound is this? Yes. Okay, on the bottom of your worksheet, what sound is beside the cup? Yes, E. So you need to fix all the boxes that are missing the sound E. What sound are you going to write beside the scissors? Yes, R. So fix up all the boxes in this row that are missing the R sound. What sound are you going to put beside the apple? Yes. So don't forget to fix all of the boxes that are missing the sound. What sound are you going to put beside the lamp? Yes. Don't forget to fix the boxes that are missing the sound. Remember, when you're all done doing your neat, best work, you can color the pictures. Boys and girls, you did a wonderful job today in reading mastery. I'm so very proud of you. Great job.